and then I started adding some more details to my subject. Hey everyone, this is Vishal. Today I will be showing you guys my 8 hours plus work in just 10 minutes. So this is going to be a very speed up video. If you guys think that this video is too fast, you can check the YouTube speed up settings below and you can slow it down. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start this video. I started this visual by this simple image here and the other one as my background. As always, I started adjusting things by the adjustment layer here. After then, I also fixed the perspective of my background with the help of the transformation tool here. And then I bring here the signboard. I patched here the question mark sign and then I added my text here. I changed the perspective of that text as well and then I adjusted the perspective of that signboard and fixed that on my background, and then I adjusted the colors of that signboard. After then I bring in here the tree and I adjusted that a little bit more with the help of the wrap. Once again here I adjusted the colors of the tree just to match it with my background. And also I changed some few adjustment of the background here with the camera raw filter, and when I am done with the camera raw filter I added some more additional things over here with the adjustment layer. After then I also added some color lookup and I changed the opacity of that as well. So this color lookup is just for the color grading. After then I made my background a little bit more dark with the help of the curve adjustment layer according to the lighting I want, but I wish it would be more dark. Well, till now I have no idea to add a portal over here, but then I just thought that it would be a great idea, so I did so. After bringing it here, I adjusted the perspective of that portal as well. And also I added the radial blur to this portal just to make the portal effect more realism. And I bring here another image for my portal here. And I also added some Gaussian blur here after I just fixed those hard edges of that background. Again I just changed the color of that image. After then I started adding some glows to the portal over here. And then I started adding the highlights over here, which I did take more time to do this because this highlight is the only thing which will create this visual image even more good. So the effect will come out here more good by doing these highlights. So by the highlights, I remember that I'm thinking to make a detailed tutorial on the highlights. So let me know in the comment section if you want the tutorial. Okay, so back to work. After the highlights, I have to add some reflection of the color coming through the portal on my subject here. So I started doing the same here. Also, just for the information, many times I get the DM that I use the pen tablet or mouse. So everything I'm painting over here is just with the help of the pen tablet. And then I started adding some more details to my subject by just adding more highlights over here, because highlights is the only thing in this visual which will make it even more good. and then I added some more bright white lights over here on the bottom of my image. After all those process, I did more effects through the camera filter over here. Unfortunately, I've just lost the clip of that, because of that I'm unable to show you guys, so really sorry for that. And I'm going to end up this video. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments section, and for more free videos related to Photoshop, subscribe to the channel and help me to create more videos.